flour, butter, powder, baking powder, and dry yeast, salt of course, milk, warm milk, cup of warm milk, and cup of warm water. If you'll need more, if we need more, then I'll get it, but I don't think so. So you add the salt. Mix the salt. Make a hole. Add the yeast. Baking powder. I have half of it inside, so I'll just use this half. You don't need a lot. And then I'll use the quarter of the powder, but not now. First, I'm gonna pour milk inside of this. I'm gonna mix it with my finger just a little bit. See how it's rising? So now I'm gonna put this, since milk is warm, so it's gonna melt nice in the middle of this hole. And then squeeze it. Pour the milk on top. Squeeze it to melt it. Now we can continue, well not continue, but we can use water. Because we use the milk and we don't need milk anymore. Now you mix warm water. Little by little. We don't need it anymore. Now mix it really good. Now we're gonna cover this and let it sit for like maybe 15, you can do 15 minutes or you can do half an hour, either or, but it's gonna be ready because of this baking powder. It doesn't have to sit like the full bread that we make, because this is gonna be something else. It's called mali lepine, which is a small, they're not even bread, but I don't know how to translate it, but I'll show you. So, and it's gonna be really good. You can use it for breakfast. With sour cream or cheese, or you can use it, let's say if you don't have enough bread and you need a quick bread. So I'm going to show you that when it comes.